with a million stars all around. Then I get a peaceful, easy feeling. And I know you won't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing on the ground. Well, I have to say though, my name is Fox Carlin. I've been running around this train track all day, and it's making me, I have to say, it's driving me a little bit crazy. You go crazy when you run around in circles. In fact, someone wants to find insanity as doing the same thing over and over again. All right? So, I must make me crazy. So you're gonna have to help me sing this song. So repeat after me. There's only one word, all right? So try to sing it with me. Crazy. Let me hear ya. Does that make me crazy? You can sing with me, please. Does that make me crazy? Probably. I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so special about that place. Even your emotions had an echo in so much space. And you were out there, honey, I was out in touch. Oh, but it wasn't because I did not know enough. It's 'cause I knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? I'll sing it with you. Does that make us crazy? Probably. Help me out. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? I think it might. Does that make me crazy? Probably. It probably does. No, we're not going to end on that note. We're going to end on a good note. You can sing this song too if you know it. I've been working on the railroad all my little long day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Died up for your horn. Everybody, it was a pleasure having you on my train today. Once the train's come to a full, complete stop, you can get off. Let me hear one big yee-haw on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. All right, cow guys, cow girls, cow people, you can get off the train. Make your way back to sad reality. Backward.